This 2023 Keystone Cougar 2.4 RDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, oven, LP detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, refrigerator, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Cougar 2.4 RDS is 7,463 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.